Right, let's look at a bond here. Very interesting here on the weekly. You can see, well, obviously the spike on the weekly. So it's definitely starting to get very interesting for buying this back up. Like it may need a new 3-day candle, but the low could be on this 3-day candle. If we did dip into this yellow 9 EMA, for example, that's another flush lower. I would love to buy some of this. Will it get down there? That is the question. You can see what the alarm is here. Now we are below all moving averages. You know, kind of pushing lower, lower, lower. You know, sometimes this point here might be a deviation, and this could actually be the buy point. You know, if this did kind of flip back up here, you know, that could be the low, and then maybe it moves back. So definitely a very interesting coin. You know, you could buy this right now with a very tight stop below here. If this low breaks, then you'd probably get out and wait to see if it does continue to drop. This alarm is a 4% away, so even that is not that big. But it's got reminiscence of KLAY, if you remember that last week. You can kind of see here KLAY. It had the 2 days to the downside, and then the third day was your buying opportunity. Well, to give, there was one more flush lower, and then we got that bounce back up, and it's still not recovered properly yet. This is very similar in my opinion. If we do get one more flush lower tomorrow, I would be very interested in buying this. Now the bounce here on this, if you caught the very lows, it's only a 13% bounce so far. I actually still hold a bit of KLAY in a loss, which is frustrating. So I'd like a bit of a spike up here to get me back out. So I just need to be careful on this. You know, it can dip a little bit more. If it does dip more, then it'd be better to buy this when it does go lower.